Welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be solving 124 binary tree maximum path sum. A path in a binary tree is a sequence of nodes where each pair of adjacent nodes in the sequence has an edge connecting them. A node can only appear in the sequence at most once. Note that the path does not need to pass through the root. Given the root of a binary tree, return the maximum path sum of any non-empty path. Alright, so let's get to it. So for example, here it's 2, 1, 3, right? And here it's 15, 27, right? But although they kind of make it seem like it's going from left to right, it's actually not that to be. Yeah, it's not that. It's basically, for example, here, right? This is the root, right? We would do a DFS and then we would check which one has a greater path sum of, for example, I'll just show you in the code. Okay, so let's go ahead and what we're gonna return is gonna be called final, right? And it's just gonna be root.val, because that's just a value there. And then of course we're gonna do our depth first search, right? Oh, DFS, and then we're gonna pass in root, and mostly a typical DFS. So if not root, return. Well, you'll just 0. Left equals the max, because we don't want negatives, right? So we have to do this DFS root dot left and 0, right? Because if it's negative, we just won't take it, because not beneficial. Goes max DFS root dot right 0, right? And then now we have to do the non-local final to bring this into the same scope. Then now let's update final. So final equals max of final and the new one, right? So if we were to take this whole thing as its own, right? So for example, let's say we're at 20, right? And we take 15 as the max left and 7 as the max right. So what would be the sum of this path? Be 15 plus 20 plus 7, right? So we would do left plus right plus root dot val. So that's final. And then one other thing we gotta return is gonna be the current path, right? So if another path is taking is like looking for this, right? That means that, for example, 9, 10, 20, right? Here we can't give them 15 and 7. We can only give them 1, right? Like return 1. So we would return the bigger one, right? So it'd be, what was it? We return root root dot val plus max. I'm pretty sure yeah, it is this. And then here we just call the function, and here we return final. Let's run this. Okay, there we go. Let's submit. And pretty fast. Thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe. Come back tomorrow for another video.